If you're looking for a powerhouse that delivers high-end performance for both gaming and productivity, the LXZ Gaming Desktop is an excellent option. You'll find the link to this product in the description below. Let's dive into what makes this machine a solid choice for gamers, content creators, and professionals alike. At the heart of this desktop is the Intel Core i7-14700KF processor. With 6 cores and 20 threads, it starts at a base clock of 2.5 GHz and can turbo boost all the way up to 5.6 GHz. That means whether you're gaming, streaming, editing, or multitasking between heavy applications, this CPU can handle it all with ease. It's part of Intel's 20th generation lineup, known for its reliability and raw performance. When it comes to graphics, this system is equipped with the powerful NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 GPU. With 8 GB of dedicated video memory, it's ready to deliver high frame rate gameplay in 1440p or even 4K resolutions. Ray tracing support enhances lighting and shadow effects in modern titles, giving you a more immersive and realistic experience. It's also great for creative workloads like video rendering and 3D modeling. On the memory front, this PC comes loaded with 32 GB of DDR5 RAM. DDR5 is the latest memory standard, offering improved speed and efficiency over previous generations. With this much RAM, you can run multiple programs at once, switch between tabs, and multitask effortlessly, whether you're working on a project or running background processes while gaming. For storage, you get a spacious 1TB NVMe SSD. This solid-state drive drastically reduces boot times and significantly improves game and app loading speeds compared to traditional hard drives. You'll have plenty of space for your game library, software, media files, and more, all accessible in a flash. Cooling and aesthetics also get serious attention here. The case features 5 RGB fans that not only look amazing but also provide efficient airflow to keep your system cool during long gaming sessions. The chassis comes with tempered glass panels on 3 sides, giving you a clear view of your build and lighting setup. It's a sleek, modern design that looks just as good as it performs. This PC is designed for more than just gaming. Whether you're working from home, handling business tasks, editing videos, or using demanding creative software, the LXZ Desktop is versatile enough to meet all your needs. It's a true all-rounder for both home and office use. If you're someone who values power, speed, and style all in one system, the LXZ Gaming Desktop is a strong contender. You'll find the link to this product in the description below.